Hello everyone. So in this video we're going to discuss about a product review which is from OnePlus. Yes, this is a product which is also a wireless headset. So the product name will be OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2. So this is base edition. This cost you around 1799 rupees. Okay, so this, if you want to buy this, I'm gonna put the link in the description where you can buy it. Okay, so first what you're gonna see, this is the front side. It's very simple design. We're gonna go inside in some time. And this product I've been using, this is the second purchase. I've been using one same brand and same model almost like 2 years, and this is the best headset which you're going to invest your money for. 1 year is the warranty. You can, any issues, you can just take it nearest OnePlus store where they will be able to service it for you. And this is how the back label looks like. So this cost you around 1799. The link in the description in case if you want to buy it, and the rate what is mentioned here is 2299. That is so you get huge discount. So let's open this. Okay, let's open in case if you want to scan this and make sure that you brought the original product. So once, it's very simple to open. Once you open it, you'll see some booklets, but I have thrown that booklets. So this is what you see. You'll get your headset, and if you open this, you'll find a book, wrap book, like an envelope. So we'll come back this later. And here you'll find if you charge for 10 minutes, you can use this for 20 hours. Okay, you can connect and use it for 20 hours. And this is what the get it. So we're gonna open and let's see what's there inside. Okay, so you get buds, you get 4 buds, and you see a booklet which says never settle, and it's written in all the languages. I'm sure that you're not going to go through this. And next what you see is the charger, and this is the head jack pump. You get it with this product. In case if this is lost, you can use even this one. And you get one Type-C charger, a small charger from OnePlus. And this is the warranty that you get it. Okay, warranty card. That's it, nothing else is there. So let's all keep this aside and let's come back to the main product. And this is the black headphone. Okay, you have it in red and black, blue. So if you want to choose, you can choose the color. See, the reason I'm suggesting this product is because you can use the rough use you can do on this product. You're gonna get the lifelong, like almost 2-3 years, you will be able to use it very easily. So after 1 year, if that everything goes out, you need to buy a new one. So this comes because I've done so much of rough use, and it has given me a good life, like almost 2 years. And let's open this. On the top you see a silicone metal, like silicone strap, which is very flexible. So you when you wear this, you don't feel that you have worn a Bluetooth headset. And this is the battery, and this is the charger port, which is Type-C. If you use it like charge it for 10 minutes, you will be able to use it for 20 hours. And you will see one main button, plus and minus, total 3 buttons where you can control music, calls, etc. And if you're using OnePlus, I suggest to buy only OnePlus Excite because that matches with the phone very easily. So, and if you see here, this is a magnetic. So most of the product, even though you put that magnetic on, the call does not get connected or disconnected. It is very pathetic, right? So this does not have that issue. If it's closed, the Bluetooth automatically gonna shut down. When you open this, it automatically connects very instantly. That's the reason I suggest this product. And it's really very lightweight, and it's very easy to use. I suggest this product. In case if you want to buy this, link is in the description. See you on the other product review. Until then, take care. Bye.